Hello guys, welcome to another video of Python projects, and today we are going to make a project where you can write a topic and the Python program will open that topic in YouTube and show you the video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. The VS Code. Now here I will make another folder called YouTube program. YouTube program. Now here I'll make another file in it. So project2.py. Now I will make the screen little bigger so that you can see, and please comment in comment section that you want light theme or dark theme in VS Code. So I will import pivot kit as kit. So pivot kit is a Python module where it has a function called play on YT. So from that we can pass our parameters. Now here if you have not installed it, go to new terminal and write pip install pivot kit. I already have it, so it says requirement already satisfied. Now I am going to make a variable called topic, and I'll input topic. Now here I will write kit dot play on YT topic. Now here let's run this code. Now it asks for the topic, and I will give it a topic of, Yashass codes. Now it will open Chrome browser. In Chrome browser it has opened my YouTube video making computer speak in Python. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like the videos. 27 members have seen this, but only 2 members have liked this. So only one member has commented. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thank you and bye bye.